In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze panes in LibreOffice Calc. Freezing panes is a simple way to keep important headers or labels in view while you scroll through a large spreadsheet. Whether you're tracking budgets, analyzing data, or just organizing a list, this will make navigating your sheet faster and far less confusing. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. Once it's open, either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file you want to work with. If you already have a sheet with headings in the first row or labels in the first column, you'll immediately see why freezing them can help as you move around. Next, go to the View menu at the top of the screen. This is where Calc groups display related options, including the freeze feature. If your toolbar layout looks a little different, don't worry. Look for the word View along the top menu bar. The freeze control's live there. Before you choose the freeze command, click the specific cell that determines what stays visible. This is the key step. Calc uses your active cell as the anchor point. It will freeze everything above and everything to the left of the cell you select. For example, if you want to keep the first row visible, click any cell in row 2. If you want to keep the first column visible, click any cell in column B. And if you want to freeze both the first row and the first column at the same time, click in cell B2. If you need a more custom setup, say you want to keep the first 3 rows and the first 2 columns visible, click in cell C4, which is just to the right of the columns you want frozen and just below the rows you want frozen. With the correct cell selected, return to the View menu and choose Freeze Cells. This opens the freeze options tied to your current selection. Now click Freeze Rows and Columns. Calc will immediately draw faint divider lines showing the frozen area, and you can test it by scrolling down and to the right. You'll notice that everything above and to the left of your chosen cell stays locked in place, while the rest of the sheet scrolls normally. If something doesn't look right, it usually means the anchor cell wasn't set where you intended. Simply click a different cell that represents the area you want to keep visible and apply the same commands again. With this approach, you can quickly tailor your view to match any layout, keeping your headers and key labels visible while you work through your data.